Today's gonna be hella interesting. I am about to be, oh, you cannot see me. I'm about to be on my way to my best friend Chase's house, and we are going to go to this place called Endorphin Factory. And it's essentially like a rage room or an anger room where we pay a bunch of money to break a bunch of shit. But I'm excited for y'all to meet Chase. He is a character. It's a little rainy right now. Well, it's a lot of rainy right now. I just pulled up to Chase's, but he informed me that he is currently in the little boy's room. So you'll meet him in a second. So, this is Chase.
Hi, everybody.
I've been so excited for y'all to meet him. He's literally such a character.
I'm crazy.
He's actually crazy. Like, genuinely, we're on medication together. It's fun.
I need to be.
Tell them about yourself.
Well, I'll tell y'all about myself pre-COVID. Pre-COVID, I was a borderline professional dancer. I worked at a restaurant. I pop my booty. Now I'm a bitch on unemployment, collecting coin, working for the government.
Oh my god!
So people just like to pull out in the street.
I flipped them off, but what if they have a gun? Tell them how we met.
Wait, okay. So we met
On the first day.
Freshman year, first day of school, French class. I turned around and said, bonjour. I'm kidding. I turned around and said, we're gonna be friends. Best friends.
And that was that.
Yep, that was that. Because I had the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory scene where Violet
We're gonna be best friends to Veruca.
And they're like, we're gonna be best friends.
Yep.
I had that scene playing in my head.
Like, I was sitting in the corner all by myself, first day of high school ever. We were 14, and I just see Chase walk in. He sits right in the desk in front of me, so we're both in the corner. He just goes, we're gonna be best friends. And we have been. Chase is my best thrill-seeking friend. Like, we used to all the time go to Six Flags and like go on the craziest rides over and over and over. We were thinking about, and it still might happen, skydiving, just cause. But right now we're gonna go to the Endorphin Factory and we're gonna just break stuff, just break it all.
It's a 50-minute drive. We're gonna be there. We're gonna get there.
We gonna have to make it a 40-minute drive. We're gonna have to make it a 20-minute drive. So we'll let y'all know when we get there.
I can do it.
Okay, we're gonna do the word association game. Ready? Random word. 1, 2, 3.
Hospital.
Driving. Hospital and driving? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ambulance. Ah! Yeah! 1, 2, 3. Signs. Patient and sign.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Nurse.
Blood type and nurse. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Vaccine.
HIV.
Vaccine and HIV. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Blood. Blood and cure. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga and cancer. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Chromatica.
Wig. Chromatica and wig. Okay. Oh my gosh. Chromatica and wig. 1, 2, 3. Gay.
I couldn't think of it. I am driving with both hands on the wheel. I'm driving with
If we don't make it, y'all. 1, 2, 3. City.
water.
City and water. 1, 2, 3.
Flint,
River.
Michigan still needs clean water.
Amen. Hell yeah. Say it again for the people in the back.
Flint, Michigan still needs clean water.
And that's a fact. Y'all, we made it. Endorphin Factory. We just listened to some Beyonce and some Led Zeppelin to get us pumped.
Play Nicki Minaj playlist on Spotify.
Playing Nicki Minaj on Spotify.
Oh boy. I didn't know.
I was on the plane with the wine. You can get with me. I told the hell my name. The baddest in the school, the baddest in the brain. Excuse me, honey, but nobody's in my lane. Fucking with me, so it's fixing the spring. I'm cold. I was on the plane with the wine. brain. You can that is so cool. Niggas spit shame my shoes. You know, I'm the only thing hopping like a kangaroo. Still when I come out of wake up. Let me see it, itty bitty baby, and I'm on it. Yeah, that's your boy, that's hot.
Thank you, Papa.
Matan el 99.9 de los jóvenes que entran en las marinas de vuelta.
Play Ring the Alarm by Beyonce.
I think you want to set an alarm. Is
No.
that right?
No, no.
All done?
Got it. Ask your Pandora to play some music.
We just got out and we got to sign the wall.
Well, it was so tiring, but so much fun.
It was so much fun. We're so sweaty. You can't really see it, but there's a little spot that says Bree and Chase's Corner. Look at this. So there's like archery, and then there's like axe throwing. That was so fun, so relieving. We got candy. Daryl Williams is the owner and CEO. He's so nice. He's so sweet. He's so
Was
cute.
that him?
Yeah, that was him, because I grabbed the wrong card. And then he told me to grab this card. He is so sweet. He is so cute.
Now I know your phone number, baby.
But if you want to go to Endorphin Factory in Grand Prairie, Texas, here's the information. We're about to go home. I hope you enjoyed the footage of us just destroying absolutely everything. We are actually, oh Chase, you need to plug your podcast. Okay, so if you don't know, Chase has a podcast. And what is it called? What is it called?
It's called Child Anyways, ... It's spelled not like Chile, it's spelled child.
Like child.
So it's easy to look up because not everybody knows the joke with the Chile. But it's called Child Anyways, and it's basically, you can see it. It has like a psychedelic, it's purple, you'll find it. It's cute. I got a few episodes up. One of them is with Coco Peru.
One of them is with me.
One is with Bree. I advise you not to listen to the Coco Peru one.
I advise you, I'm gonna link the link to our podcast we did underneath this video.
Yes, our specific episode.
Yeah, so we're about to listen to that because we are narcissistic, but I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed meeting Chase.
It was nice to meet everybody. Bye.